Winslow Woodland, community coach, Ward 7. Nice rainy day, trying to get a work in. Simple push-ups. So, just to demonstrate, I had push-up bars, a little inexpensive item to keep my hands healthier. You want to push up, you want to keep your chin forward, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That was fun. Okay, now what we're gonna do, try some sit-ups. Simple exercise. You're gonna lay back, bend your knees, help take some of the pressure off your back. Trust me, when you first start doing these, you can get a bit of a rash on your backside, but it's worth it. I'm gonna try a little jump rope for you. Jump roping is pretty simple. It's basically that same old thing you probably did as a kid. Guys probably never did it unless they boxed, but it's a great exercise. It's the heart movement, helps with your coordination. After you've done it for a while, you can get it to singing. I gotta forgive my grill smoke. I figure if I'm gonna eat, I better work out. Remember, be safe, enjoy your workout, and above all, keep it moving.